How to hide your Instagram stories and highlights from a specific person without blocking them. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Now, under Who Can See Your Content, tap Story, Live, and Location. Then tap Hide Story and Live From. You'll see a list of your followers. Search for the person you want to hide your stories from, then tap the circle next to their name to select them. Once you've selected the person, tap Done. From now on, that person won't be able to view your Instagram stories. If you create a highlight using a story they've been hidden from, they also won't be able to see that highlight. If you ever want to allow them to see your stories again, return to the same menu and uncheck their name. And tap Done. And that's it. That's how you can hide your Instagram stories and highlights from someone without blocking them. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and step-by-step tutorials.